Good morning and welcome to SirToshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's date is Thursday, the 14th of July, 2022. Without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. Buy BSV.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online, the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. Here we go, rock and roll. So we've got Coin BTC at 19,982, or it's struggling to maintain above 20. B Crash at 101, who cares? Fisher Price Cash, who cares about that either? And then we've got Bitcoin, oh yes indeed, the original protocol that goes right back to the Genesis block. It hasn't changed, making it the real Bitcoin, the true Bitcoin, the genuine Bitcoin, and the world's first and only ever digital commodity, backed by the value of data sovereignty, making it the most valuable commodity on earth because it's an extension of our own personal freedoms and liberties. And a digital data commodity protocol has to have a fixed supply, a locked protocol, infinite scale, economic competition, and a chain of digital signatures. And only the original Bitcoin and genuine Bitcoin still has those intact. So let's have a look at this then. We've got a price of just $51, absolutely sensational. Hash rate 0.28. Let's have a quick look at that. Over 6 months, how are we doing? Yep, hash rate looking very strong there. Loving that. Good, good. Hash rate, yeah, 0.28. Network nodes 0.47. Transactions 79. Oh, they are going down. I believe we are transaction banking, ladies and gentlemen. And block size 98.96. Remember, these are data management networks. The data, which is the block size, is uploaded by the transactions. The transactions are processed by the nodes that create blocks. The blocks are what supply the hash rate, which cracks SHA-256, and that is attracted to the value, which is meant to be representative of the price, but the price is currently speculative because people don't have a clue what's going on. But when education catches up with speculation, the prices will soon start to match their economic fundamental values, which means BTC, due to SegWit, will go to zero. B-Crash, due to Schnorr signatures, will also go to zero. And Fisher Price Cash, I mean, what an absolute joke that is. That will also go to zero. None of them have those 5 pillars of commoditization intact like the original Bitcoin, or like the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin does. And remember, just like in business, when turnover is vanity, profit is sanity. When it comes to Bitcoin, hash rate is vanity and block size is sanity. Can you see what's going to happen? You really don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure it out. Let's have a look at these blocks coming through this morning. Oh, we've got a 2 gigabyte block mined by unknown. SBI Crypto having a belter. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa, we'll have to have a look at the hash rate when we get to the pie charts at the bottom. My goodness me. Here we go, hash rate. So hash rate follows price, follows value, follows utility, follows creativity, initiative, and intelligence. If you are intelligent and you apply creativity and initiative, you can make something useful. When something is useful, it can then create value. When it creates value, it can then develop a price. When it develops a price, it can then be measured against the cost of other goods and services and used as a medium of exchange. Boom, next. Proof of work by network again. It's all coming over to Bitcoin as it should have stayed there anyway. Whoa, it is currently 13,740 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than Coin, and it's 6.2% more profitable to mine on SV. Oh my goodness me, right, we'll have to see what's going on there. Daily average Bitcoin block size by network. Bitcoin absolutely smashing it, romping away with it. Transactions by network, Bitcoin winning, starting to smash that. Transactions per block, Bitcoin winning, smashing that as well. Fees USD, so this is transaction fees. Look at that. Lower fees, absolutely beautiful. Fees, SirToshis, look at that right down there. Fantastic stuff. Now, this is block fee to block reward ratio. We'll keep an eye on that because what we need is that going up over time as the block reward continues to get cut in half every 210,000 blocks. And as that gets cut in half, we need the block fee to surpass the block reward. And as that happens, we will then have an economically self-sustaining system. All right, beautiful. So that's what the chart will look like. Daily accumulated Bitcoin blockchain growth by network. I think we were at 4.6 yesterday. Where are we now? 4.68. Loving that. Loving that. Beautiful. Daily, so this is global hash rate 7 days, global hash rate 24 hours, core coin hash rate, so they've got like 99% on there at the moment, who cares. B Crash, what a joke. Look at that. Other miners managing the profitability. It's always more profitable to mine on BTC. It cracks me up. And yet B Crash has got no economics. It's got no economic fundamental value, and it's always more profitable to mine on BTC. Absolutely hilarious. And Fisher Price Cash, again, honestly, like Hathor on there, just keeping the profitability at bay. And then we've got Bitcoin. Here we go. SBI Crypto with 45.83%. Again, just giving Tal a chance, keeping the profitability. Oh, actually, it's more profitable to mine on SV, like 6.4%. That's what we just looked at. Wow. And SBI Crypto has still had to turn up the hash rate to 45.83%. Remember, Tal are macking it hard. This is their this is the total amount of hash rate that they've got, all focused on the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin, because they know in the future that's where the value is. Imagine having 18.75% of the hash rate of the genuine Bitcoin, which is what they've got. It's absolutely huge. Or will be anyway. But anyway, the reason we don't want any shitcoin enterprises on the chain is because the only thing they understand is dollar worshipping. And that is what leads on to price manipulation, which we will look at now in the short positions. So Bitcoin, again, the original protocol, the traders are giving it a 91% short ratio because all they're doing is following the name, honestly. And again, like I said, treacherous traders, they literally do not care. Once they figure it out, oh my goodness me, that is going to flip because they're just all out for themselves. And let's have a look at Coolcoin BTC. Oh, look at that. 2.41. It's going up. Look, these dirty traders are starting to have a change of heart. Oh, quivering. Let's have a look at BitInfo charts then. Oh, just 31.9%. Still smashing XRP and Ethereum. Look at that. Fantastic. 1,370,000 transactions over the last 24 hours. For any newbies watching this, you're wondering what a node is. A node is a mining operation. Mining operations are what create blocks and supply the hash rate that cracks SHA-256. And these are they. This is the backbone to the new global financial system, the world's first ever commercial internet. Blows my mind every time. Chainlytics, let's have a look at this. Block size. Oh, you kidding me? They've taken Bitcoin off there. That is scandalous. That is scandalous. They've probably been watching my show. Look at that. Look at that. Chainlytics have delisted the genuine Bitcoin. Oh, because that's outrageous. That's outrageous. I don't believe it. Well, I can believe it, actually. There we go. Look, Coin Carbon Cap gives you an indication of how efficient the network is. Look, absolute transactions per megawatt hour. Bitcoin, 4,118 transactions per megawatt hour, whereas Bitcoin Cash is like in second place with just 58. Honestly, there is no comparison. Absolutely hilarious. Scaling test network. So we've had a 4 gigabyte block mined on the mainnet in the last 24 hours. Very good. BSV data, let's have a look at this. MetaID producing 4.55 gigabytes on a moving 30-day average. Transactions run protocol, 512,000. Let's have a look at that over 7 days. 697,000 on average over 7 days. Very good. Applications, let's have a look at crypto fights. Where are we? Daily transactions over 30 days, 500,000 on average. And then over 7 days, 687,000. Very consistent, loving that. Trends.cash, so we've got a DXS app. Oh look, so the spending on ReallyX has come to a halt. Interesting to know what that is. I think that must be something to do with NFTs. Apps ranking by performed actions, run and crypto fights. Yep, good. Crypto Quant. Oh, look at this. Exchanges getting back in. What's all that about? What is all that about? Never mind. Honestly, I would want to get out of there as quickly as possible. Crazy. What's on chain? Good question. What is on chain? 532 petahashes. We've had, yep, that's correct, 1,322,000 transactions over the last 24 hours. We've had movements from the whale wallet. Check it out. Just micropayments being moved. This was yesterday, 13th of July. Ooh. Good to see the movement. I mean, look at that. That is a huge amount of Bitcoin to have in there. My goodness. The morning run. So we've had 1,370,929 purchases of Bitcoin over the last 24 hours. Very good. Let's have a look at this. Oh, no. What's this? Live coin watch. Come on, let's have ya. Could this be another site going bust? They can't afford to keep it running because the price of BTC has crashed. Oh no, it was a great website, this one. I really enjoyed looking at it. Oh well, we'll have to come back to that. So CoinGecko, how are we feeling about it today? Feeling good. 85%, nice one, that'll do. Is this? Oh no, it can't be reached. What's going on? What's going on? Oh well. Tether, let's have a look at this. 24 hours in the green, 7 days in the green. Let's have a look at market cap. Oh, we've had another chunk over the last 24 hours. So it's now 65.9 down to 65.89. So yeah, so it's got like 200,000, but still on the way down. Oh my goodness me! It's not going up. That's all we can say of that one. Let's have a look at Bittrex then. So yeah, nice little like dip in the price there. Beautiful. Let's have a look at this is Bitcoin versus a core coin. I mean, look at that, value for money is getting better and better and better. Again, you know, as any numbers go down, it gets better value for money, but as they go up, you feel richer. That's all it is. Let's have a look at core coin versus USD. Oh, look at that. So I had a massive dump, and then somebody trying to pump the price again just to maintain it. Oh, look, upsy downsies. Traders will tell you they'll love it, but they all hate losing money. That's what it is. Coinbase, oh yeah, still not looking good, on the way down. MicroStrategy, look, struggling along there. Silverfish, we've had 3,070 views on that. Fantastic. Let's see if we can go back onto live coin watch. Oh no, it's not there. What? That is a real shame. That is a real shame. Just give it another chance. Come on. Oh, it's not going to load. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Oh, well. We'll have to leave it there. We hope you enjoyed the show. As ever, be aware. Take care. Stay safe out there. And I'll see you in the next one.